Hello and welcome to another Prolani video. So today I wanted to give you a room tour of what gear I have and some stuff that it's not related to PCs. But anyway, this is my desk. This is where I hang out. Let's start with this. So this is actually my Blueair 203 purifying system. So it's a air purifier from Blueair. Here it says how many days there is to change the filter, which is tapped at 182, I think. And so if you need a air purifier, I definitely recommend Blueair. I like it more than Dyson, Honeywell, or pretty much any other brand. Over there I have my just a regular HP DeskJet 2010 Special Edition inkjet printer. Moving over here, we have my desk lamp. We have my secondary monitor, which is the ISO 17-inch 1707, or it's actually FlexScan. It's 1707 model, I'm not sure, but it is from the FlexScan series. It's made in Japan. Over here we have my mouse. So this is my mouse that I've been using for a very long time. It's actually the M705. It's wireless. It's got an off-center sensor, so it's not exactly a gaming mouse. I think it has a native 1000 DPI, but I'm a huge fan of Logitech mice. I've used Razer, SteelSeries, Zowie, but I prefer Logitech, especially because of the infinite scroll wheel. So you can just browse web pages very quickly, and you don't have to, scroll a lot of times. You just do it once, and it'll just flick. So yeah, this is what I use. Ergonomically wise, it's the closest to the G9X, which is probably my favorite mouse of all time, which was wired and it was laser as well. So that's my mouse. In terms of my mouse pads, we have a dual Sharkoon 1337 XL mouse pads, which is my favorite mouse pad. If you want just a regular looking high quality mouse pad, I definitely recommend this one. I've been using it since like 15 years ago. I've tried a bunch of other mouse pads, always went back to the Sharkoon. So moving on, this is my keyboard. I think this keyboard is like at least 10 years old. It's the K800 from Logitech. And I apologize for the dust. I haven't cleaned my gear. So you can tell by the old logo that it's really old. It's not exactly new. And I have it actually wired now, or I have it connected, but it's not in a wired mode. It's just for the charging the dual Eneloop batteries. And this cable is actually from my Ducky One mechanical keyboard. So yeah, this is a wireless Lumina keyboard from Logitech. It's probably my favorite one that I've ever used. I simply prefer these low-profile scissor switches as opposed to mechanical ones. I just like these laptop style keys the most. I like the short travel of the keys, and they're just pretty quiet as opposed to something like MX series switches. My main monitor is actually a debadged Dell UltraSharp U2312 HM from like 2012, I believe. It's pretty old, but it just works just fine. And I plugged a 1707, the Dell 1707 FP stand on it. So this isn't the original stand. It's probably the most beautiful stand that I've ever seen on a monitor. Even better than the Zowie one. As you can tell, I really like this dual feet design. But yeah, that's my main monitor. 23 inches LED, nothing too fancy. Does the job perfectly fine. The mic is the White Shark, which I bolted to the table. The headphones are the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pros, 80 ohms, hooked to my Zonar DX sound card, which is in the Lionly V351 case. So I've got a external hard drive over there from Western Digital. Got my Corsair Survivor USB stick, which is probably the best USB stick that I've ever used. I was always a huge fan of Lionly, not so much lately with their new design, but with the stately old school design where there's no steel used whatsoever, unlike the new ones where you have aluminum outside and steel inside. This is just fully 100% aluminum all around. And it's actually from, I think it's like 2016 or something like that. It's got a Haswell 4-core 8-threaded Xeon GTX Maxwell, 16 gigs of RAM. It's got SSDs, hard drives, sound card, network card, Noctua fans, Asus Mobo. Nothing special. It's just a general HD PC more than anything else. And I've got, actually, just looking on the side, as you can tell, I put in a NEC DVD RV drive and an NEC floppy drive, beige colored. So I love the retro style that the beige colored optical drives give. So I just have it there. Okay. Here I have my TV, which isn't the biggest, but it's the W7 series Sony Bravia, hooked to my PS3 Slim 3K, and this is just an H.265 converter for the Bravia. And yeah, here's my Sony PS3, which I use also as a HDPC device. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got some surge protectors going on over here and over there. And that's pretty much it. Just get a wide view of that so you can tell. That's pretty much how I have it.